Good morning, students. Class 12th. How are you? Hope you are doing well and safe and healthy. In a previous chapter, we had learned about and came to know about how yoga can help in obesity or how it will be helpful to cure obesity or it will be helpful in prevention of obesity. So there were various asanas that were in Padhastasana is one of the asanas. This morning we are going to learn about how asanas are helpful in diabetes. How they are very helpful in diabetes. What is diabetes? Today lecture is d- diabetes procedure, benefits and contradictions for Bhujangasana, Paschimottanasana, Asana, Pavan Muktasana, and Ardh Matsya Asana. There are four asanas related to diabetes. Diabetes is really a very dangerous condition. If diabetes is not controlled, it can lead to renal failures. Renal failures that includes our kidney, loss of vision, amputation of limbs, and cardiovascular disease. Diabetes is such a disorder that is causes sugar that it causes sugar to bind up in our bloodstream instead of being used by the cell. And from where this sugar enter in our body? From various sources of our food. Various sources of our food is it enters, and when it is not used in a body, in fact our body use as hormones insulin to control the level of sugar or our sugar in our blood. There are two types of diabetes, type 1, type 2. What is type 1 diabetes? Type 1 diabetes is pancreatic gland does not produce insulin. When pancreatic glands does not produce insulin, hence injection of insulin is required daily for its treatment. So this is the first type of diabetes, and you know pancreatic gland where it is situated. Type 2 diabetes, the body does not produce sufficient amount of insulins, hormones or hormones is produced sufficiently but it not used by our body properly. There are frequent cases of type 2 diabetes where these types 1 diabetes are rare. And what are the symptoms? Feeling of tiredness, urge to urinate frequently, numbness in hands and feet, blurred vision. What is blurred vision? When we are unable to see properly or cloudy. Excessive weight gain or weight loss are common symptoms of diabetes. Diabetes can be prevented as well as cured if following asanas are performed. If following asanas are performed, diabetes can be prevented. For prevention of diabetes, asanas are very important. So, students, I had given you a homework regarding bhujangasanas. In previous homework, I had given you to do practice. Today, we are going to study about Bhujang asana, how it can prevent diabetes. Bhujang asana. What is Bhujang asana? Procedure, how we can do Bhujang asana. In this asana, the shape of body remains like a snake. That is why it is called Bhujang asana. In order to perform this asana, lie down. Here you can study the structure of Bhujangasana. Lie down on the belly on the ground. Keep your hands near to the shoulder. Straighten your arms slowly. Raise the chest. Raise, raise the chest. Your head should trunk backward like this as shown in figure. Keep this position for some time, then get back to normal position. Here you can see the position of Bhujangasana. Lie down, up your chest, straight your arms, and continue it for 7 or 8 times. Benefits: it alleviates obesity, it provides strength and agility, it cures disorders of urinary bladder, it cures disease of liver, it improves blood circulation, it makes vertebral column flexible and thin. It cures gas disorders, constipation and digestion, strength muscles of our hands and legs. So these are few benefits of Bhujang asana. Contradiction: this asana should be avoided by individual who suffers from hernia, back injuries, headache, abdomen surgeries. Pregnant women should not perform this asana. Next is Ardh Matsendra asana. Ardh Matsendra asana. Procedure same. The left heel is kept under the right thigh and right leg is crossed over left thigh. Here you can see the procedure. After that, hold the right toe with left hand and turn your head back to right side. Back to right side. In this position, move the trunk sideways, move the trunk or neck sideways, then perform same asana in reverse position. Procedure you already know about Ardh Mattasendra Asana. What are benefits? It keeps gallbladder and the prostate glands healthy. It enhances stretchability of back muscles. It alleviates digestive elements. It regulates secretion of adrenaline and bile secretion. This is adrenaline from the adrenaline gland, and thus it's recommended in yogic management of diabetes. It is also helpful in treating sinusitis, bronchitis, constipation, menstrual disorders, urinary tract disorders, and cervical spondylitis. These are few common benefits in which Ardh Mattasendra Asana is very beneficial for us. You can every day you can do practice at your home whenever you get time. In early morning is very benefit, and evenings also. Not only it will help you, but it will prevent you from many diseases also. While practicing, five and four benefits are there. You will come to know about yoga. You will come to know about procedure, benefits, and contradiction. You will be healthy, and it will be preventing you from many diseases. Contradictions. Women who are 2 or 3 months pregnant should avoid this asana. Women who are 2 or 3 months pregnant, they will avoid this asana, because you know there is a twist. You have to bend yourself. The individuals who suffer from peptic ulcer, hernia should perform this asana only under expert guidance. Expert guidance is very important. The individuals who have the problem of sciatica or slip disc may benefit from this asana, but they need to take great care while doing this asana. Now next is Paschimottanasana. 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 Sit on the ground with leg forward. Then hold the toes of your feet with fingers of both hands. Fingers of both hand. You can see in figure, fingers by your both hand. Breathe out slowly and try to touch the knee with your forehead. With your forehead. Upward and come to the prior position. Benefits: it alleviates gas problem, It prevents early ossification of bones, decomposition of bones. When ossification is when bones become, instead of being healthy, they become less healthy, or when it becomes ossification of bones. It is good remedy for constipation. It reduces obesity. It is helpful in treating abdominal disease. There are so many diseases related to our abdomen, because you all know abdomen is directly related to our large intestine, liver, and small intestine, spleen, and gall bladder. It is helpful in curing skin disease. Vertebrae become flexible and healthy while performing Paschimottan asana. Contradiction: if you are suffering for enlarged liver or spleen or acute appendix, never do this asana. Avoid doing this asana if you suffer from asthma or respiratory disease. Asthma or respiratory disease. Third, if you have any back or spinal problem, make sure that you perform this asana under expert guidance. So there are four asanas related to our how we can prevent this disease. So you can take help, or you can prevent by doing various types of asanas. Not only in this, but they are helpful in many other ways also. They make our body flexible and healthy, and make our bones strong and muscles strong. Even you can do practice at your home. While at your home, at least you can take out 15 to 20 minutes for practicing. You will come to know many good things about yoga.